We have just checked in to Crowne Plaza in Lake Buena Vista. The check-in is at 3 p.m., but it's a little afternoon and our room was ready. So we were lucky about that. And this is where you check in. Right behind the check-in area is the marketplace, some computer areas. And this is what they offer in the marketplace. Reese's, cake, snacks. And there's Glen. We are on the 5th floor. We are in room 521. It's nice and cool in here. Okay, when you first come in, they have an area for ironing board. Here's the bathroom. Glen will be happy with the Keurig. And we also have a balcony. So this is the room, and when Glen comes in, he can open the balcony for us. And here is our balcony. In the distance, you can see Disney Springs, the balloon. That's where we'll be heading pretty soon. We are back down here on the 1st floor again. And off of the lobby, they do have a restaurant and a lounge. It does open at 5 p.m. to 10 p.m. Here it is. They did give us 2 drink certificates. It's called the 8th Street Grill. Full buffet in the morning, it's $19, and continental is $14. So this is their menu. We are heading out to the pool, but off to the side here is the restroom off the lobby. Okay, right when you come in, here's the towel area. Nobody's here right now. The pool is open until 11 o'clock. Oh. There's one little girl in the pool. She's going up to the slide. And this is the pool area. They do have a fire pit right out here, off to the side. On the website itself, it does say that there is transportation to the theme parks and to Disney Springs, and we are going to be going to Disney Springs, but it only goes at 5 p.m. and then it comes back at 11. So I should have checked to see if the hours would have been. Because if you do go to Disney Springs, parking in the lot is crazy, and it does say to give yourself an hour to get there and park and get wherever you need to be. And we just came back inside again. And here's Glen. And again, this is the restaurant area. We do have a buffet in the morning. I don't know if they have food in the afternoon. It does open at 5, but they do have a lounge. So we'll have to find out. And that's it for the hotel. Here is the sign: lobby, marketplace, restaurant, gym, restrooms, pool, lounge. And that's the tour of the hotel for right now. So we are standing outside on our deck. It's about 9 o'clock. We just came back from the pool. And here in the distance you can see Disney Springs, Drury, the moon, as we go. I think the purple ball is Epcot. I'm not sure, but we'll find out. And then the big red square over there, that is Golden Corral. So that is what we are thinking about doing tomorrow morning for breakfast: Golden Corral or Waffle House at Lake Buena Vista. So we'll see. So I'm just going to hang out here and see if we do have any fireworks that will go off. And what a beautiful night. We hung out at the pool and we watched everybody swim. Tomorrow we will go in the pool itself. They do have a water slide, which looks like a lot of fun. And then we are going to be going over to the Universal area. And we will show you that room, and excited about going to Ruth Chris. We are celebrating Glen's birthday this whole weekend. It's a long weekend, so it's going to be a lot of fun. Glen is inside watching the Red Sox game. Okay, we'll see you in a little bit.